Hey guys, it's your boy Cody7. Today I am back with another video. Today I bring you the UK Drill Vocal Preset Pack using Logic Pro 10. So this is how it sounds like.
What you telling me be? Like, long time no see. Like, now you wanna G and ski. Like, now you wanna roll with me. Like, I shouldn't beat and delete. Got a time to feed this breed. When I come, she be looking all sweet. Got a bad beat when I pipe and leave. Man, I take no bullshit, so don't take a piss.
So these are the effects that are on each channel strip. So we're gonna remove all of them and start afresh. Okay, so now we've resetted everything to this basic form. We need to rename things. Okay, so the vocal lead is always going to be called lead vox. So let's rename that lead vox. And then the beat, of course, we can rename that beat or instrumental. I want to rename that beat / instrumental. Anyway, so the next one we're going to rename is vox dubs. That's the vox dubs there. Now we've got adlibs here, of course. So rename the adlibs. And this is like an intro part. It's part of, I'm just going to put that intro. It's just an effect. Intro effect. I'm going to rename that. In fact, we can also just bring this up here onto the adlibs one and just delete this here. Okay, yeah, so I've got the beat, instrumental, lead, vox dubs, and adlibs. So the first thing we want to do, obviously I've already made some adjustments to the vocals, as you guys can see here. If you guys are unsure how to do all this stuff, basically what I did was I just went through the vocal track like I did in the original UK Drill Vocal Preset tutorial video. I just went throughout the whole track and I just removed the breaths and just made sure it's all isolated like this. So that's why you can see these things like
long time no see.
Nonetheless, okay, so let's hear it without no effects for now, and then we're gonna add the effects.
Like, long time no see. Like, now you wanna G and ski. Like, now you wanna roll with me. Like, I shouldn't beat and delete. Got a time to feed this breed. When I come, she be looking all sweet. Got a bad beat when I pipe and leave. Man, I take.
Okay, now let's hear it with the beat.
No bullshit, so don't take a piss. No. 14 and my grind is meant to reach 15, tryna make it central. Big bike girls to come over.
So you can see it's not mixing, everything just sounds loud. Okay, so to bring all the presets into Logic Pro, the first thing we need to do is open up the UK Drill Vocal Preset Pack, the Logic version. So we can see that these are the presets here. Next thing we want to do now is just, let's move that out of the way quickly. You want to open up from your users, open up Macintosh, and then go to users, then go to Apple, and then find music, and then find audio music apps. And then find channel strip settings. And then follow what I'm doing here. So where it says output, you want to go to the UK Drill Vocal Preset Pack and bring the master one, just the master preset, and bring it down here. I've already done that there. So you want to bring that there. And then you can go to where it says track. And then where it says track, you can just copy the whole folder, or you can just do this. You can just highlight everything and just bring it into that one. That's for the track. And then this one is bus. So now we want to copy the bit that says Vox Bus. I'm just going to copy that, Command C, come in here, Command V, Vox Bus, and then that's done. If you've noticed that there's 3 different versions, because if you're making a bus, then the Vox Bus needs to be in the Vox Bus. If it's track, that's the individual ones, and if it's output, that should be the master. And you can go into Logic Pro now, and now when you want to go to is press Y on Logic Pro once you're on this page, so that it can bring up this library page. And this library page, you can see that now if we go to user channel strip settings, we can see that, yeah, the UK Drill Vocal Preset Pack is there. So now we can just open that up and we can select each channel. For example, the beat instrumental, we're going to select that channel and then just load in that beat, just double click it and then it loads in. Then we can do the same thing for the lead vox. That's done there. Vox dubs. Done there. Adlibs. That's done there. And we also need to do it for the Vox bus. We can see that none of this is under a Vox bus. So to do that, to make a Vox bus, we need to highlight each and every other track. So the lead vox dubs, and adlibs, and then right click, press create track stack. And then press summon stack, and then you can just press create. So then it creates a stack here. So we can delete this other one from the mixer because it's not actually being in use. And then with this one, we just want to rename it Vox Bus. Once that's renamed Vox Bus, we can see here, we see Vox Bus is here. We select the Vox Bus channel strip here, double click the Vox Bus, and then now that's all done. Now if we hear it out now.
Be like, long time no see. Like, now you wanna G and ski. Like, now you wanna roll with me. Like, I shouldn't beat and delete. Got a time to feed this breed. When I come, she be looking all sweet. Got a bad beat when I pipe and leave. Man, I take no bullshit, so don't take a piss.
So that's the main thing that you have to do, and you can also you can also adjust certain things. For example, you can adjust the volume of the overall track, the Vox bus here. So
no 14 and my grand is meant to be.
Or you can go to the effects itself and just take off the reverb. This is the reverb here. Chroma is the reverb. You can either adjust it or you can turn it off. To turn it off, you just press this power button here.
15, trying to make it central. Big bike girls.
Yeah, and that's how you do it there. If you want to reduce the volume, of course, just reduce the faders like that.
Come over, but I said
If you want to adjust the EQ, you can also do so within the EQ settings. And that's pretty much it. That's how you load up the UK Drill Vocal preset pack using Logic Pro. And if you guys want any more tutorials using Logic Pro, then please leave a comment down below and I'll do them ASAP.
Man, no, I ain't talking weed. See, know that this shit is deep. Tryna act on me, yo. You can't talk on my name, that's peak. When a girl starts sending me streets, why can't say that you're on me, trust me. I find that really funny. Try hold my beat like a bunny. This youth are fucking dunny. Like, how can you say you're baller when you can't even play FIFA? Like I told you guys.
So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.